welcome guys. Welcome to my Leetcode solving section. So today, let's talk about 1160. Find words that can be formed by characters. Okay, so before I start, please subscribe to my channel. This is my channel. So it contains like mathematics, computer science. Mathematics contains many aspects like differential geometry, like a lot of calculus, and also yeah, basically probably all the math in undergrad and graduate school. And you will learn basically there's still some algebraic geometry, and also physics. There are quantum information, there are electrodynamics, just some interesting things just to make my own notes and share with you guys. Okay, also Leetcode solving section, although I did not solve a lot, okay, but still interesting. Okay, so 1160 are 5 words that can be formed. You're given an array of words and string characters. So basically you have a lot of words, okay, a lot of words, and that word for the words. A string is good if it can form a character. Return a sum of length. Okay, so let's maybe see an example. So you have words like cat, bt, hat, tree, and then chart, atach. So see 6 means that you see the cat and hat can form as only the cat and hats can use this character to form. Okay, so the idea is that it can be formed by the character from character, and the difficult part is that each character can only be used once. Okay, so that means you can only use 2a, right? So you cannot use 3a's, and you can only have 1t. You cannot use 2t. Okay, and return a sum, right? The sum of lengths, and this is very easy. So this is basically one can use the divide and conquer, right? But basically, the idea is that you just need to check words by words whether each word is basically from a character, and if it's then you sum of its length, right? So basically, this is basically just need to find a small function and check for each word where each word is basically can form by characters. Okay, so let me define a small function called can be formed. So can be formed is a very small function. Somebody give you a word and the character, and then you check that whether these words can be formed by character. Okay, so so the easy idea is that is for I in word, if I in character. So basically the character. So basically so that means I check word by word. So I start from C, and I check whether there's a C in the characters. If I in characters, that means this C is in this. Then I should delete this character. I should delete this C in this, right? Just to make sure that I cannot use another C. So I just use character to character replace I. Basically 1, right? So basically this 1 means that I only delete I once. So basically I just see C. If there's a C here, then I delete. And I see A. If A is here, I delete. If I see T delete. Oh, so each one I can always delete. Okay, so if I in character, this is a criterion, and after I use this criterion, I need to delete it because each character can be used only once. So, but there's a case that if you see some words, for example, like B, right? There's no B here, then you return false, and you don't need to check it again. So otherwise, the return true means that can be formed is correct one. Can be formed is correct one. Okay, it's a correct function. And the answer is so now I initialize answer to be 0, and I iterate all the words, right? I iterate, and I see whether the combined form is true. If it's true, the answer should add the sum, right? Add the sum of length word. If it's true, that means that word is basically can be formed by character, and I add their length and I return. So basically, all of this is just basically from a definition. So there's nothing nothing special algorithm here. Just like the translation of our origin this word. Basically, just transformation. Just the easy translation of the definition. Let's submit. Okay, nice. Oh, 98% point now, right? Very fast, right? Okay, I'll see you guys in the next videos.